Okay guys, I'm on the Euro USD 15-minute chart. I'm just about to enter a trade. I'm going to enter a sell trade. I've set my take profit target and my stop loss target at these levels. Ideally, I would have gotten in on the end of the long yellow candle. However, I'm close enough to that level, the close of that candle, to enter this trade now. I'm now expecting it to trail downwards, and I'll pause the video and we'll see how it goes from here. I'll be back shortly. Okay, and I'm back, and we can see that our target level has been hit. I entered it just a couple of candles prior into the trade, and that was for roughly 21 pips, $635 profit. And that was done within roughly 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm very pleased with that. It went well. And after entering the trade, once all our conditions, signals had been met and everything lined up perfectly, it was quick and easy to get in and quick and easy to get out of. Happy with that one. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Speak to you again soon.